My life before Bagosphere was kind of stressful since I am just a fresh graduate and there's a lot of pressure with me because most people expect me to land on the job after graduating because they know me as the academically competitive girl, and it stressed me out a lot. My confidence is very low and my self-esteem as well. I don't know anything and I don't even think my resume is good. I doubted all of my skills and basically myself. The pressure ate me, and instead of passing my resume and applying for job, I stayed inside the house waiting for my anxiety and depression to subside. It was really deteriorating because I had no purpose at all. I am so used in keeping myself busy. But I would like to thank my dad because he's a grab grab food rider, and he's the one who um told me about this opportunity. And my dad told me that I should reapply in Bagosphere because I applied before but they didn't accepted me because I was still a student that time. So yeah, since I am not a student now, maybe I'll get in according to him. So I took the opportunity and I am really happy that I passed the application.